Ring doorbell camera footage captured a woman
Jesus.
tugging on a doorknob and beating on the window of a stranger's home on July
Bro, get away from my door.
2018.
You're just making me mad. Look at her. Look at her.
Then she pulls out the screen and reaches in. The homeowner screams.
What is going on?
The intruder said, "What is going on?
Hi.
Why are you asking what's going on? You're the one doing it." She opened the door. She opened the window and said, "What? Who?"
A Redditor was roused by a notice that their doorbell had identified a visitor.
Bro,
but
what
found
is that?
Nothing after reviewing the app. After rechecking the app, the Redditor received more warnings and was.
That is a
confronted
night.
with
That's
this
a ghost, bro. That's a demon.
It is difficult to discern whether the individual is male or female, but the shape and distance of the person's eyes are very concerning. It is not something anyone wants to see at their home door in this day and age.